Why you need that, anak? Oh, okay. Is that the falls gonna be? Ang laki naman nito. This is a huge, Is that huge, Julin? Be careful, don't step on it. Jul- Juliana, don't step on it. What is that? That's a huge one. So grandma will play while you're at school, Juliana. Can grandma play? Yeah, she play while you're at school. Can she play Barbie while you're at school? No, sabi naman niya. Oh, there's an elevator? Oh, there's an elevator? That's an ultimate Barbie dream house. Oh, there's 10 play areas. Wow. Well, you guys have a house together. Jade and you and Julene. You and Jade. Yeah. Di ba mayroon sila? But you guys don't play with it. Really, you guys get along now? Except earlier when she ate all your cream filled donut. Ni manon ni pinalala ko lang yung cream filled niya eh. Grandma got, how many, ilan yung kinain mong donut? Dalawa. Oh, dalawa din ako. Okay. Four. And then Jade ate two and a half. Jade, your hand. Kinakalkal yung nako niya. Oh, daddy had a sticker. Jade and Julin, you guys can do your hot dog. Yeah, yeah, do a berry avenue. Juliana, go get your pajamas now. Yeah. Ay, Juliana, no, go get your jammies. Come on now. Mother ni ikut panda. Yeah, pan. Go in the thing. Go there. Guys,